Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got the 92 Dodge Viper RT10. I'm not sure if it's a new casting for 2024, it might be a rework casting. I've seen few different colors, but this one looks really good, so I got it. Let's open it up and see how does it look. While I open it up, why don't you go and subscribe to my channel. So here it is, the Dodge Viper. It's one of those cars which are like, not everybody could drive it, but whoever has it, it's now, since it's not produced anymore, it's like a unique car now, especially because of the big engine it had, the V10 in front. I don't think any other car had a front engine V10 in recent time. So let's see how this casting looks. The very first thing you will notice is this yellow paint and 3-spoke wheel design. I think it had a Targa, not Targa, I think it's called a Targa roof, like where you have a panel on the top. I think it did that. So let's look, how does it look from front? So up front you've got nice details, you got detailed headlamp, you got the logo up front for the Viper. There is fog lamps which are not detailed. You can also see the grille. I think this is for turn indicator or might be or position lamp, but again not detailed. We got the Viper badge on the side. The shape was so unique for this Viper, and you can see it's been shown here. Also you can see the vents on the hood. Interior is done in black. No major details apart from seats and steering wheels. I do like the black paint, like I think it was a roll cage, might be for safety reasons. Coming to the back, you can see very small window in the back. Tail lamp is there but not detailed. You don't see any exhaust pipes, and the reason is it's side mounted. So Viper had side mounted exhaust, I think, which is very cool. So coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. The only difference being the fuel filler cap here. So overall, I would say it's a nice casting for a mainline, especially because it's a Viper, like Vipers. Tail lamp, if it was detailed, would have made it look much better. But I think if you're good with markers, you could add that. Apart from that, I think it's a good casting. But it might be because of the soft spot. Otherwise, it's a decent casting. You can add it to your collection if you collect Hot Wheels. And I'm pretty sure someday Hot Wheels will do a premium on this one. Pretty sure. Because it has got almost all the details. They just need to add premium wheels and tail lamp and some other details. Well, those are my thoughts on this Viper. Let me know what you think about this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.